Kids, if we die, just know we love you. Good morning. I'm super sweaty. We just came back over that hike and to Lovers Beach and Divorce Beach, and we're just trying to get some sunrise views. It's beautiful.
People to make it to Divorce Beach and Lovers Beach. Got to watch the sunrise. Got a lot of different shots here with the drone. Had a lot of fun doing that.
Yeah, we almost lost him. He was going around the rocks and the signal got weak, but he was a good little guy and he came back home. So
I thought he was a goner for sure.
We were a little nervous.
And then all of this, because I lost the signal on the remote and on the phone deal, and then all of a sudden, here he comes over the mountains back home. So it was fun, but it was really cool to be the first people. There's nobody else here because we kind of do the sketch way of getting here. I can see some kayakers on their way now and stuff like that, but we beat them because we're Baum Adventures and we worked hard for it. So we're just gonna sit here, hang out for a little bit. No all-you-can-eat breakfast because the resort's not here, but we got some granola bars. We're gonna enjoy it and get a good early start to the day. Sunglasses on because sun is up. This is random. We're going to talk about our kids' names. So we got Kyler, Hayden, and Asher. None of our kids' first names have any special meaning or any family names or anything. If you do that, that's cool. We just pick names we like, just basic stuff. But we want to do some stuff with our kids' middle names, just to be a little special. Kyler's is kind of funny, but hear me out. So his middle name is Brody, B-R-O-D-I-E. Russell Westbrook's nickname is the Brody, and so when we were having Kyler, we were doing the season tickets and doing a lot of that stuff. And I've always been a big Westbrook fan. Katie was a snake and left, totally fine, but it's whatever. So we're Team Westbrook. I know he's not maybe the best role model in the world. I get that. The point behind it was Westbrook never takes a day off, and he is all in. Nobody can argue that. Like him or hate him, he is all in. Gives it everything he's got. And so our idea with that, obviously we're Westbrook fans and Thunder fans, but we wanted it to be something when he's older, he can see some highlights, and we say, hey, whatever you decide to do in your life, do it all out like he plays basketball. But most importantly, love God with the intensity that Westbrook smashes the ball in the rim, that kind of stuff. So it's a little silly, but it does have some special meaning to us too.
Hayden and Asher, I'm trying to think. We did family names actually for their middle names, and you know how you have a kid and then you're trying to decide like, oh, which side of the family are we
if
gonna
you do
pick?
if you do Allison's grandpa's name, then my family's like, hey, what the heck?
Yeah.
What about us?
Well,
but twins,
yeah.
you get to please both sides. That's good.
Yeah. So Hayden Lee is my grandpa's middle name, and then Lewis is Grandpa Nussbaum's father's name. So we got to throw both of them in there. So
Yep. And they're both L names.
Yes.
We're against having twins have like all the same clothes and the same, you know, letter names and stuff. But with middle name, we figured we could do a little twinny type deal. So it just kind of fell together all right. But if you don't know our family and you don't care, sorry for boring you again. I think we said that in yesterday's video once, but if you're watching this, it's your fault. All right, we're gonna hang out on the beach a little bit more. We'll see you later. We're walking back. We got Lovers Beach over there, that's for us. Divorce Beach over here, not for us. We're gonna try to bring you along for the whole little hike back and time lapse it, but it might turn out terribly, and if that does happen, it won't show up on the video. We'll see what happens. On the GoPro, it's less steady, but it's easier to carry. My idea was to have one straight time lapse from that whole thing. That's definitely not going to happen because when I was climbing around, I was all over the place. This may or may not even make it in the video, but if it does, we'll see what the post-production editing has to do. That makes us sound fancy. We don't know what we're doing. It's okay, don't worry. All right, but that was super worth it, even though it was early. We're gonna go get some food, and then we got a couple ideas. We might take a nap, or we might go do something fun. We'll let you know.
All right, we just finished breakfast, and we are on a boat right now. There's Ryan. At breakfast, Ryan gave me the rest of the numbers. I didn't drop it. The wind caught the last number 8, and it fell over the balcony, but one of the workers was super sweet and went and got it for us. So we have all the numbers, but I super appreciate Ryan making all of them for me. They're really sweet, filled with lots of funny jokes and sweet memories of the two of us. And now we're just heading out to Pelican Rock and see what we can do. Jump off maybe. We'll see. Ryan definitely is jumping off. I will try. So
we're at Pelican Rock, hence all the rocks and all the pelicans on those rocks. We didn't make it here the other day, so we went the old-fashioned way today and just paid somebody to bring us here on a boat. You don't really know if we're allowed to climb and jump off this, but we're gonna go see what happens. Climbed on top of Pelican Rock. It's taller than it looks. I'm a little nervous. Allison's a lot nervous. Hopefully the GoPro has the salt off of it. Learned the lesson from last time. We'll see how this thing goes. Alrighty, you ready?
Yeah. Oh my God. Kids, if we die, just know we love you. Woo!
Is that awesome?
Oh my gosh! Woo!
Definitely going again. Crabs are taking over. I am the king of Pelican Rock. No pelicans. Lots of pelican poop I'm standing on, but I'm currently the king. Allison didn't want to come up this time. We've got, that's the ledge. That's where we jumped from last time. Got up a little bit taller this time. I'm just stalling now because I don't want to jump. This is legit kind of scary. Allison's on the beach. All right, let's do this. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Holy cow, that's great. Guys, I cracked the GoPro screen climbing up on the rock. Ugh, all in the name of the vlog. I think we're gonna have to buy a new screen or something. But one more jump for you. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Woo! Guys, so I think I broke the GoPro on the rock. Rookie mistake. We're gonna go snorkel a little bit. I'm taking the GoPro, but if it's totally trashed, we won't use any of the footage. But here's proof that we snorkeled. So just finished eating lunch in the pool at the Swim Up Pool Bar. Fun way to eat. We're tired from all of our escapades today, so we're gonna go relax a little bit before dinner. Just want to talk about our camera problems today. Almost lost the drone, but we're good there. And then the GoPro issues, we're still trying to figure out how to deal with the getting out of salt water, then the residue, spitting on it, rubbing it off. We're trying to figure it out. So some of those clips earlier were a little iffy. And then cracking the screen, the last time I was going up, getting on the very top was a little bit dangerous. So I just had it dangling from my wrist, hit the rock and cracked. That jump ended up being okay, but once I got in the water after that, it started filling up. We did snorkel a little bit, but the footage is bad because the water's all in it. So before our next trip, we're gonna have to get a new GoPro screen or something like that. Good thing this is our last full day and we're not gonna need any more GoPro stuff. So we made it just barely, and we'll be back ready for more GoPro stuff in the future, hopefully. So we're gonna go relax. We'll see you at dinner in a little bit. All right, we made it to dinner. We had a relaxing afternoon. Allison napped. I just laid around, watched some TV. But we got dressed up. We went off property to a nice dinner at Sur Beach Club. I kept messing up the name. Sur Beach Club. It's around the corner on the other side of the marina, and it is real nice. Here is the view we're dealing with tonight. That's kind of the Pelican Rock over by the Arch, Lovers Beach over there. So getting the other side of the picture tonight. We're real excited for this. Food is to come. We'll let you know how it is. But last night here in Cabo, going out with a bang, nice dinner. This grilled octopus, we ordered it because we're like, hey, we're at some fancy place. We gotta try something exciting. Let's get grilled octopus, who knows? Came out, looked real intimidating and big and scary, like a full octopus leg. Tentacle, sorry for wrong terminology. But this stuff is awesome. We got a couple dipping sauces for it. So good. I would get more of this. We were doing it just to try, but this is probably gonna be the best thing. We'll see what the entrees are like. So far, 1 for 1.
Our food has been really good. I got a shrimp pasta. It's very spicy. I needed to drink some water, but it was really good. And then Ryan had lobster roll and sweet potato fries. Lobster roll was awesome. The sweet potato fries were really good. Might be my favorite thing. I don't know. The pasta's really good, but sweet potato fries were amazing. So
short and sweet to the point. Lobster roll, warm, buttery, delicious. Probably terrible for me, but the lobster has lots of butter on it, and the lobster roll, you can tell they butter it and then toast it. Really, really good. We may or may not get dessert. We're getting full. I guess you'll see here in about 2 seconds whether we do or not. We just finished dinner, did not get dessert. We're really full. Might get a little dessert at our resort here in a little bit. But this place, what's it called? Sur Beach Club, keep forgetting, is very high class. Everything was really good. If you watch Outer Banks, you'll get this reference, but definitely feel like this is where all the kooks go, and we feel like we belong more with the pogues. But we enjoyed kind of hanging out here. Allison's been looking for LeBron James all day today. We hear all the NBA players when they lose in the playoffs, like LeBron, that they flock down to Cabo. So
yeah, I keep looking for his helicopter to come land on one of these yachts out here.
Yeah, all the yachts everywhere.
Looking for him.
If you see LeBron, let us know. We're gonna walk around a little bit and then we'll check in a little bit.
Just got back to the resort after eating dinner, and we got to walk on the beach a little bit, and we're just gonna hang out for the rest of the night, maybe eat some cake.
Yep, so this is the last night here. So this is gonna be the last time you see us for a while, last time you see us on this Cabo trip. It's been a blast. We think today was probably the best day that we had enjoyment-wise for sure, but also probably video. We did some more fun stuff that hopefully you guys are gonna enjoy. Tomorrow we're just gonna travel back, go home, see our kids that we miss. But later this summer we got a trip with all our kids and some of the extended family. So you have to stay tuned for that one in the future. But until then,
We'll catch you on the flippity flip.